Discover the power of automation with our fasteners packing machine. This cutting-edge equipment streamlines the process of counting, bagging, and sealing fasteners such as screws, bolts, and nuts. Designed for high efficiency, precision, and durability, our machine is the ultimate solution for industrial and hardware packaging needs. Key features: high-speed operation for industrial use, automatic counting and bagging of screws, bolts, and nuts, compact design with user-friendly controls, multi-head functionality for bulk packing, energy-efficient and durable build. Whether you need a screw packing machine for assembly lines or a bolt and nut packaging machine for small parts, this equipment delivers exceptional performance. Applications: perfect for hardware manufacturers, assembly lines, and industrial packaging solutions. Upgrade your production line with a reliable, precision-engineered fastener packing machine today.